My wife is sad because the Shark vacuum cleaner she has had for over 20 years stopped working. The on-off switch is frozen and won't turn on the vacuum. This is my chance to do something for her and see if I still have it in me to make her smile. We've been married for 30 years, and she still does so much for me and our adult kids. She doesn't want me in the kitchen. She doesn't want me to touch the laundry. But fixing things is right up my alley. By the way, I'm loving my new ball grip screwdriver. We have other vacuum cleaners, but my wife loves this small shark for quick cleanups. Here's the problem, and here's the fix. A new switch. We have suction. Hun, guess what?